It is important for us. Okay. Now we have start recording. Recording is started. Okay. So next we have Prosido classes. Let's see here that what is happened. Okay. Here they are saying that what is Prosido is used to define special state of element. Okay. And this can be used to style element whenever user, okay, whenever user do any action like here, that time I want to do some changes on over on all, that time we can do. Okay, so what here they are saying, we need to write here selected, maybe hash, maybe id, maybe class, then Prosido classes. Okay, okay, oh now I got it that. So anybody who want to explain this, now it is very easy for us when we see this. Anyone? This is now very easy for us to understand. Like what is Prosido classes? Like whenever we do on link, this will happen on over, visited, active. So if we need to make these changes, we can simply apply this link. If it is a link, then we can put the color. Visited, we can put another color. Hover, hot pink, like this one. Active, if I have suppose visited one, then it will be active one. If I have number of collection. So anyone have question? I think no one have question about this. Right? Everybody can hear me, right? Let's move next. Font, color, background. These are things we are already aware. Then here, next one. So someone can explain me this one. Ajay sir, Rabi, anyone?
I think this is self-explanatory. So
inside paragraph, first element.
Right.
Inside paragraph, first element. Okay.
First letter, yeah.
Okay, it will take only first
Like
letter.
Y.
Oh,
Yes,
great.
yes.
And what is this? Is the Prosido?
Yes.
Okay. What will happen if I will write second one? It will run or not? Nothing will
I
happen.
don't think so. Let's check. Not sure. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing will happen. Right?
Suppose we want to first word of the paragraph. So is there any option for that?
Let me try one function.
First word.
Nothing
No,
happens.
it doesn't work.
We
So
do not
they have
carry a lot of
predefined
things.
something. So
Right.
And we have seen this example in some website also. Means they are implementing this line.
Yes.
Right.
Maybe on the home screen of contact us, they are just welcoming. W is just making with some extra CSS.
Right. So at the same time, if I have paragraph and then if I will write here, suppose div, and if I will
not
write
work.
here, div.
Okay.
Now
Div. Fine.
what is
No.
going on? What is going on now? Okay, so it is applying on the div, but Prosido code will work only for this one. Okay. Yeah. So here they are taking that you can apply in all, but in the paragraph first letter. What will happen if I will give inside another paragraph? Okay.
This will also work, I think.
It will apply everywhere. Okay.
Yes.
Now my doubt is clear. Let's move then next to word. Okay, so here I think this one everybody can understand. Inside paragraph, we have one CSS and then first letter, right? Right, Rabi? Or anyone? Inside paragraph, we have one class.
Yes, clear.
And then we have, okay. Let's understand the multiple procedural elements, how we can apply here. Okay, what is the meaning of, okay, first line. Okay, one person was asking about word, right? So we will see that also.
But there is a concept of line.
This is saying for line only. Okay.
Yeah, it's apply, I think, on for line. Yeah, it's apply on the line only.
Okay, it apply only on the line, right? So somebody can do a Google that how to apply first pseudocode on a word, like you. If I have to apply here, then what will I write? Like we get to know about letter and line. Now we need to know about word. So anybody who can do little bit Google, let us try here, right? Maybe we will find something. Line, word, first word. What happened? Net is not working. Everything is working. What happened? Okay, first word. Okay, maybe we'll find something here. What are you looking is for procedural element that does not exist. There is first letter and first line, but no word. Oh, sorry, everyone. So we agree here. Anyone?
Exist नहीं करता ये.
Right. So now that question is gone. And we, whenever we are in interview, if we are taking interview of any designer, we can ask this question.
But actually, I just saw in the Google that it says if you want first word, in that case, what you can do, you can add a class. We can create a first class, and in that word, first word, you can put inside a span and then apply that class for the word. But it's inbuilt. There is no such class like first word in the
Means
CSS.
indirectly you can.
Yeah, indirectly we can,
indirectly,
but inbuilt there is no such provision.
Okay, so we can ask this question to interviewer. Whenever we are taking interview of someone who say that I am expert.
Taking or taking or giving.
Yeah.
Pankaj, we can try this also. Na?
And you know one thing, I have given one interview just before 5 years, I think. He asked some question to me and somehow I was unable to give the answer. He said that, hey, you are having 5-year experience and you are not able to give the answer. I asked to him that if I will ask 10 questions, then 100% you will not able to reply 5 questions. He was laughing at me.
Exactly, there are so many things. It is not necessary you know all the things, but yes, gradually you know the things when you do one by one. Sometimes you have done that in your project, but you don't remember that things because they are very tiny things.
Now we are
So maybe
moving.
Pankaj, what I think, your feedback has been taken very seriously, and now company has stopped saying you have been rejected. Now they are saying your profile or your knowledge cert is not matching with our requirements. So now the company is not just sending you that you have been rejected. Now nobody is going to tell you you are being rejected. So they are just saying your means your skill set is not matching to a requirement. That's it.
Right.
Because
No,
they know we have a different skill set and they have some different requirements.
actually, what
So
happened, Ravi? At that time,
something has
I
changed
got some
from last
ego,
few
right?
years, I think.
His tone, the way he was speaking, that tone hurt me actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
I
so
can
anyone
understand.
have question here till here?
Yeah.
Should we move then?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
let's move to next.
Okay. So we have visited these also on over active. Like here it is anchor tag. We can put here a span and all whatever we want to put it. We can go by that also. What is the meaning of this one? Highlights. Let's check here that what is the meaning of the highlight. What is the meaning of highlight? That is a class. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here the dot will come means it is a class. Got it. So anyone have the question, please. This is very clear to everyone that hover means if when I click here and then I hover. So if I want to do any changes at this place, then we can get the advantage of this. Like one word we have, right?
Yes.
That is not
When we click on it.
It is not applying. What happened?
Visited.
I think it will be apply on the link.
Okay, let me make it link then. Like anchor tag, right?
Hmm.
Something different. It is applying to link only. Then let us copy here and then we can what happened, bro? Nothing is coming. Can someone explain me what is wrong here? Why it is not coming?
It's
I think this is not
href. You need to add the
actually,
href.
very first.
Okay, we need to write here href.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Means without that it will not come. Okay, that's good. Good catch.
Means when we are having a href, then only we can click on it.
Right. So today we are catching a small thing, but it is containing more value for us. And very soon we are going to become a full stack developer with CSS. Okay, then
Yes.
Then we have on div hover. Okay. Tooltip, we are aware about this, right? Like we have div and then we hover. Under that we have paragraph. Okay. Here it is first child. Under the paragraph, whatever we have first child, it will apply only that. Means it will apply here. First child. Okay. It will apply here. Okay. Rest of will get ignored. Same thing will happen with the div also. What will happen? It will work.
I think it should.
It should. Okay. Let's try here. No, it is not working. Something is wrong. Okay, maybe they have applied only for the paragraph. right?
Yes, yes. Maybe.
Pankaj, what I think, there is no child of any paragraph in this context. So if you will put one div under the paragraph, then that div
Okay,
will be considered as a child of paragraph.
let me try the same thing which you're saying.
Uh,
Oh my God, I'm really thankful to you. So here they are treating div as a this one as a child, right, Ravi?
right.
But why
So
they are
outer
treating this as a child?
no, this is not a child actually. This is the parent one. This is some text. This is a like paragraph child actually. This paragraph is a child.
Pankaj, can you please create one more paragraph inside the paragraph and then let's see what happens.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. Then this will also work, I think.
It should work.
Yes.
What happened? Why this is giving the error? Okay, inside paragraph we cannot have the paragraph,
Paragraph.
right?
Yes.
Okay, let me make it span. Then what will happen? Span can be here, right? Div cannot be here. They will take all first child. I'm not able to convince myself why they are taking this one and why they are taking this one.
So, Pankaj.
Yeah.
If you will make first paragraph is text one, so this is the first child of body, right? And then test first child of outer div. Okay. Just do one thing. Just assign. Yeah. Now in this case, yeah. Just you can see first div is working. So here, first div is the first child of body. That's why it is working. And then the test is the first child of outer div, so it is working, right?
No, now scenario
Did you
is
get the
changed.
point?
No, now scenario is changed. There is P, right?
Correct.
Then
Yes,
it
this is
is
P
not
and then
applied
div
over
is
here.
also there. So if you will put, okay, if you will put the first span, then this will not work. Okay. If you will put first as a, just put the span just below the body, then it will not work because first child would be the span and we have not written any CSS for span. Okay. So
But
in
they are
that case,
applying
it
here.
will, yes, because this is the first child. This is the first child of outer div.
Means this is the parent, right?
Right. This is the parent and this is the first child. Yes,
Now I
please.
got it. Now I got it. Means
Okay.
they will apply the first child if
Right. If the
paragraph is
CSS,
first done, right?
right. If you will create another CSS like span and the first child, then it will work for span as well. So
Let
like
me.
first child, yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, it is applying.
Yes.
Now I got it. Means if I will
Okay.
remove these two, it means if
It will not
first
work on the span.
paragraph,
It will not work.
then
Right.
it will
Right.
work.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So
If
anyone have
first
doubt?
child is a paragraph, then it will work.
Right. Anyone have doubt on this? We can elaborate.
Can you run it now?
Nothing will happen. If I will remove this,
Uh,
then first one will happen. And if I will put the
uh,
same thing here, and if I will put something again, then it will not. Okay. Let's move next then. Okay. Then I is, what is the I means? The first element I. What is the meaning of this one? Okay. Okay. I. Means whatever I will declare inside here. First inside, like I. If I will take it as a span, then what will happen? And by the way, what is I? Get applied.
I is for
I is a
italic
italic.
actually.
Italic.
Italic.
Oh, sorry.
Italic.
I
Italic.
is-
It will convert into the italic.
Italic means italic font. Font family. It is bold, italic.
Yes,
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 yes.
yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Got it.
Underline italic
Yes.
bold.
Got it. So everybody is clear here. The first one it will catch. Like same was happened with a paragraph. If I will remove here, then it will make first paragraph. And if I have give here, then nothing will happen, right? Everyone? And if I will
Yes,
put
yes.
here
No.
and same I, then even though if I will put here deep, then nothing will happen because the rule will be same. That it will apply only first one, which will be the I. So I need to write here I also. Nothing will happen now. Okay, what happened? I was wrong. Let me remove this one, even though it is coming. Okay, means it apply first I. Okay. Okay. Let's move next then. What it is saying first. Now what is the tricky here? Match all. Okay, here they're saying match all element in first child. Okay. In the first child, if I have 2I also, even though it will apply there, right? Okay, here. So if I will make a second one, then what will happen? Oh, it will apply in all. Okay. Okay. Let's move next. Can someone put some highlight on this? Anyone? Hello, Madhur. Hello, Ravi.
I think only designer can do that. This is out of the box for me.
Then let's do practical. Anyone who want to, like we have a
Correct.
description also here. We can
Yeah.
give 1 and 2 time. Let's read that and then. Okay, it is related to language something.
Looks like, but not sure.
Okay,
I don't
let's
think so. I have used anywhere. Let's
let's
try.
what is happening now. Okay, means they will apply here these thing till this sign they will. So if I will write my name, that will also get applied. Oh my God.
It's magic.
Yeah, it's applied here. Oh, really? Like whenever we are getting something related to that, like this, these are the things which we do sometime in writing mail, sometime, right? We can apply these things. Sometimes it happens.
Right, right.
We need to apply these, the runtime, some value will change and accordingly we need to do format. Then we do a lot of changes in C#, and then we make the HTML and then we send that HTML for the mail writing. And now we can do that changes via CSS itself. Okay.
True.
Let us I can put it this also, I think. Wow, that's great. Let's move next. How many things is here? Okay. So we have others also. So we will catch it like read only, visited. Okay. We'll catch this later. This thing we have already covered. The next one is attribute selector. Okay, attribute. Okay, here A and whatever that inside target I will define, that will be in different color. And target, if I will write blank, that will be in different class. Means here they are saying, if I will open this, means here on href, on this, if I have to apply some CSS, on target, if I have to apply some CSS, right? And I can give their value also, like if I have blank, then this will come in this color. So I can put it here that if I have some top, then what will happen? Then it will apply that. Okay. Got it. So anyone have a question on this attribute selector?
No.
No? Okay. Like we can apply here, here we have the tag, and then under that we have target. Suppose target is this one. Then we can specify here their value also. And same thing I think I can write for href also. Then let me put this one, and then value should be this one. Now let's see what will happen. It will work? Nothing will work here. What happened? Let me do one thing. Again will get expired. Nothing will work. Okay. So it will work only for target and something related to that. Okay.
No, it will work like for attributes also. No? For attribute only. Like we are having a text box, then we can write like input equal to input type equal to.
Then this is not
type.
attribute. href is not attribute.
Href is an attribute.
Okay. Now I got it. Because it will not visible to us, right? That's why. Okay. Because that will be part of internal href, right? That's why it is not reflecting, I think.
Pankaj,
Yeah.
I think blank and target is a property of href, okay?
Okay.
So there are predefined values for this target, either blank or top. So only those property will work, not
Okay.
everything will work. So
Okay.
blank means to say it will open your link into the next tab. Okay. Top means on the same page, I think. So if you will click on this disney.com, hopefully just click on this in this result window. Hopefully it will open into the next tab.
Right. Yeah, it is opening here. Right, Ravi, it is coming.
Is this
Yes, I opened that.
right?
And,
Okay.
that website came.
So href has to, yeah, that is opening here. So that's why this blank and pop are the property of this href. Yeah. So these are the predefined values, so we cannot change it. So blank and top are the properties. So we cannot put our name or something else over there.
Right. So next we have the same thing for type, attribute, and button also. Same thing they are applying. Type, here the attribute and all. Okay, if I will put here
Right.
date, then what will happen? Okay, with date, Then I need to apply here. I need to write here date.
Right. Right. So it will give you a box.
That is not coming.
That is coming, I think. The things has changed, I think. The things has changed.
Okay. We have not given
You
the
got the width of
background.
120. No. Yes. You have not given the background. Yeah,
And
right.
we are watching that background color will get changed. Yeah, it is working. Because we are a developer, right?
Yeah,
So anyone have doubt in attribute selector? Okay. Then back to our main page, which is selector. So now we have idea about simple selector, combinator selector, procedo class selector, and procedo element selector, and the attribute selector, which we have discussed early. Right? Let's move toward next. That is how to add CSS. So there are three ways. We are aware about it: external, internal, then inline. So inline means anyone who can discuss with me. Inline means style, which we write under paragraph under div.
Yes, correct.
And internal means we write one CSS file.
I think external is this.
Internal. This one. Internal. That is this one, right?
No, inline means hi.
Yeah, continue.
Inline means if you have any text box, if you add any style such as width or height. So this is inline CSS for particular text box. Internal means if you have declared in a body, in a header section, if you have create any CSS, this is internal CSS. And external means if you create a CSS file and write your code in this CSS file, and this file you use in your application. So this is external CSS.
Okay. I have one question. That's why I was like, if I will write here this one, is style, right? And then I write font size. This is inline CSS, right?
Correct. Yes.
And same thing they have defined as a this. This is called external.
External. Okay. Yes.
What will happen if I will define one style here?
So this is internal CSS.
This is internal.
Okay. What will happen if I will use the CDNA?
CDNA is also part of the external, we can say, because we are giving the link from the outer source.
Right.
Yes.
So that's basically the benefit of the external file is we can reuse it multiple places.
Right. Okay. And this is how that will apply. This one. Then we have CSS comments also. I think this one, this is everybody's aware about this one, right? That whenever we need to put some comment and all. So we can move a little bit faster now. And these are the name of color. I think we are aware about these. And border color also we can give, font color, background color. So different way we have to give the color. Border means it will only change the color of this, the border. Okay. Background color, background images, no repeat, background attachment, background position. We are aware about this. Okay, there's one question, this one. Opacity and transparency. because a lot of time we need to apply this. So anyone who want to put some highlight on this? Yeah, PK bro.
Yes.
Yeah, would you like to explain something related to opacity and transparency? No? Okay.
Transparency means how much we have to transparent for a particular element.
Can you elaborate in detail?
How much we have to transparent for a particular Deborah element. So we can define the opacity.
Okay, we can define here.
Point 1,
opacity.
point 2, point 3.
Okay. And this is saying first div, second div, third div, right?
Correct.
Okay, got it. So within a 1 minute, Zoom meeting will get expired. So we need to join that again. And transparency. Okay, 10 opacity means light.
And opacity and transparency is reverse, is the opposite thing.
PK, can you repeat please again?
No, transparency
I
and
didn't know.
opacity is the opposite thing. If the opacity is 100%, transparency is 0. And the similar the reverse order.
Okay. Okay. Then CSS border, we are aware about it, that the border which we have, and sometime we need to do that, right? And then we can use that border in which form we want to show our border.